Drug manufacturer Johnson & Johnson says it plans to appeal today's landmark ruling holding that company accountable for the opioid crisis in Oklahoma.
Johnson & Johnson ordered to pay $572 million to help that state address its drug problem. As Tom Hansen reports, today's ruling could be a preview of what's to come and more than 2,000 other pending lawsuits across the country.
I am entering an abatement plan that consists of costs totaling $572,102,028.
An Oklahoma judge issued the first verdict in what could be a number of lawsuits against pharmaceutical companies nationwide. Judge Thad Balkman sided with the state and found that Johnson & Johnson and its subsidiaries created a public nuisance in Oklahoma.
There's no question in my mind that these companies knew what was going on at the highest level. They just couldn't quit making money from it.
In 2017, Oklahoma sued Johnson & Johnson, Purdue Pharma, and Teva Pharmaceuticals for aggressively marketing opioids to doctors while significantly downplaying the addiction risks. Teva and Purdue settled for more than $300 million.
I feel like my boy's looking down.
Monday's ruling was personal for one member of the state's legal team who lost his son to addiction. Reggie Witten says he's grateful for the ruling, but not confident in the drug companies.
I think they'll appeal this thing and fight till hell freezes over.
An attorney for Johnson & Johnson said they'd take the case to the U.S. Supreme Court if necessary. She defended her clients.
The company here made medicines that are essential for patients who suffer from debilitating harm. That's what they did. They did it responsibly.
Oklahoma estimates since 2000, about 6,000 people there have died from opioid overdoses, and thousands more are struggling with addiction. Tom Hansen, CBS News.
Well, shares of Johnson & Johnson actually jumped as much as 5% after that ruling. Investors had feared a far greater judgment against the company.